Hey y'all, I am out in front of your house and I want to show you some really exciting things that have been done since the last time I was here. You can tell behind me that is sod that's in the driveway, so they are getting ready to lay that, and then we also have a driveway, so very cool. Since the last video there's also brick and stone outside, so I'm going to flip this around and give you the tour. Okay, so really cool that they have a driveway. Last time I had to go through some dirt and mud, but really liking this. And we have sod. You also have landscaping. Look at those two pretty trees. If you've never laid sod, you guys, my husband and my girls and I, we did it at our new house last year. It is not a fun or easy process. Okay, so one thing that when we walked through here last time you guys were in town was we had some issues with the columns. The brick that was laid on them, they were all different. So I'm just kind of getting a close-up view so you can tell. I don't know that they've been fixed. I don't know. They all seem to have the slant to them now, which should be the case because you really want the water to run off. But and then also the concrete, it's dirty, so I can't really tell if there's a big old chunk missing on this side. It might be something they come back. Yeah, so there's some like jagged edges right along here. So I think they're gonna fix that once they get like the grass laid and they get the concrete guys back out here. All right, so inside. We got the floors, so pretty. Now the last video we did not have flooring in. You got carpet in the secondary bedrooms. Perfect. All right. So this is an MI home for those of you that are watching for the first time, and we are in Light Farms in Celina. So this is a secondary bathroom that these two front rooms share. Not a single vanity. And this was an inventory home that my clients got very lucky to get under contract in. And then in MI's homes, they do wire the secondary bedrooms for fans. So if you did want to come in and change them out, you can. But as far as just the fixtures themselves, they are not included. There's the closet. Secondary bedroom. It's just like the other one we just saw. Same closet. Awesome. And then going back out. It's a nice wide hallway. So it'll be nice moving furniture in here. You get a lot of space. And then tucked over here we have the garage entrance, a third secondary bedroom, which this one would share the bathroom that we just saw up across the way. There's the closet in here. And then the laundry room is right in here. I like the tile that they picked for this. It's nice. Okay, and then into the main living space. We've got the great room, the eat-in kitchen area, and the kitchen. So really pretty. And then the island is a blue, really pretty blue color. Really like the backsplash. Really cool. And they chose a gray mortar. So a lot of people are curious, well, what does it look like if you choose a different color mortar? Just think of mortar as like the outline of your tile. So if you want to see the outline of your tile, pick a darker mortar, or whatever. If you have a darker tile, pick a lighter mortar. All right, with the fence back here, now you have a really great visual of what your yard is going to look like. So let's look at that. First of all, this is a really decent sized patio. As an inventory home, they did not choose to extend it, but I mean, this is plenty of room for, a little couch and a couple chairs. This is a good sized backyard. So whenever they don't have the fence up, it's always kind of hard to tell, but even goes along the side here. Yeah. Okay, let's go back inside. And have a nice walk-in pantry in the corner there. Lots of cabinet space in the kitchen. That's awesome. And then we have the master bedroom with a bay window. That is awesome. And they did include the fan in here. So that's nice. Really big room. And then we have the master bath. Ooh, I like the tile. That is pretty. Okay, and then we've got the bathtub and the shower. And then you have the little water closet over there. You could always hang a cabinet above there. Then you have his and her sinks on the single vanity. And then you also have a nice large master closet with shelves. That's where my shoes would live, or some of them anyway. I have a lot of shoes. Don't tell my husband. Okay, and that, you guys, oh, there's a tree in the backyard. I didn't see that. Cool. I was just out there. How did I miss that? Anyway, there's a tree. That's cool. I did not know that was included. Pretty nice. Yeah, so that concludes the tour, guys. The house looks so good. Really good. Okay, y'all, so that concludes the tour. I think I'll come out one more time just to see what that grass looks like installed, and then also to see, all the concrete cleaned up and just the house ready to go, because we close in a matter of 2 weeks. Very exciting. So if you are tuning in for the first time, I'm Nicole, and I work with the LivingWell Team, and I would love to help you buy your next home or sell your current home, or both. So give me a call, text, or email if you are interested. I would love to be able to give you this kind of first-class service. Until next time, guys, God bless and take care. Bye.